We'll do a quick little look. Quick little look-see here. Oh no. No. A procrastinator? Georgester? Wait. Georgester, what is this? Georgester? Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, Wilden. Don't take him away from me. He's because he called me a pro. Oh, it's you. Whew. Okay. I thought I was the procrastinator. Georgester, I thought you were loyal. Listen, Georgester's still here. Georgester is loyal. Bong is a fellow Englishman. I can be an Englishman. We got a huge UK representation here, you know. We are a diverse bunch. All the best devs are procrastinators. What is the UK? The UK. You know, that place. Account age? That's not a thing. Hey! Welcome! Welcome. We got ready, we got this, ready. I'm becoming a professional. Uki, to answer your question, a full bong raid. Oh boy. Hit that follow for the full bong raid. Listen. What was I saying? I was saying something before I got distracted. What was I saying? Oh yes, account age. Uki. The account age is probably like 5 weeks or something. At least that's when I first started streaming. I might have made it a little bit sooner or beforehand. So it might be like the account might be 6 weeks old. I'm not sure. Don't say raid to anyone doing a full bong rip. 5 weeks late. You are 5 weeks late. I don't have an account age thing. I might have to like go back into Stream Elements and do it. I think I have follower age. Right? Yeah. There it is. 4 weeks, 2 days. Wait. 4 weeks, 2 days. LT, were you not following the first week? Mods can see my account age. Created 2014. Holy moly. 19 days. Let's go, Georgester. Let's go. I guess the mom might find you a week after? Or a few days after. When was our first stream? I think our first stream was it was the 20th. It was Thursday the 20th. That was our first stream. I feel disappointed. Don't check my account age. This is not my original account. This is what do you mean? Uki, you're still 2014. Bro, why are you famous after like 8 days? Listen. We just have the most valuable team members here. We are a team. Georgester, you're 2015. Beginning of 2015. Our first streams were the same day. Were they? Interesting. Very interesting. I mean, there's a lot of different things that I guess is taken into account. If you want to talk about like growing streams and stuff, which I don't, to tell you the truth, I don't know much about it. I mean, we're just starting over here. We're pretty small. Pretty small. Although, I will say, we are at 252 followers now. Mind-boggling. All right, we need to get back to coding here. You guys are distracting me with your first PCs and your when you made your accounts. Ugh. Distracting. And then we scared off Ironic, who was carrying. I'll scare you if I told you mine. Mental Twitch came out June 6, 2011. That is wild. You know, I remember watching Justin TV once. I streamed for 70 hours in 8 days. Oh, full bong rip. I don't want to take your thunder here. But I streamed over 100 hours in 5 days. Something like that. Our birthday party subathon stream was ended up hitting 172 hours. And then it got brought down thanks to some bits, but ooh, internet cuts off 7 hours a day. That's awful. That's awful. And touch a proper computer till 2016. Honestly, Georgester, that's pretty much the same here for me. Like 2015, 2016 is when I actually had I had a desktop before then, but it was like a really old, just like hand-me-down kind of thing that I tried cleaning up. Midnight till 7. Oof, that's rough. First actual PC was 1998, but I was coding on a Commodore in 64. Savage. Holy. I don't want to make you feel too old here, but I was born in 1998. Whew. The Commodore 64. Commodore 64. Using that 1994. Oh, that's wild. Absolutely wild. Man. 98, the best year. It was pretty cool. I was 8. Oof. All right. We're getting distracted, team. Listen, we gotta focus up. We gotta figure out the goal for today is purely to get this stuff working. That's it. So then we can take a little clip, chuck it up on our X, and it looks really cool. I need to work on my game, but I don't know what to add. Help me. I'll help you. When can I play the game? Well, the goal is hopefully we'll be done within the next month or two. If we can get the base stuff down, the rest of it should kind of fall into place a lot faster. And then it's just a matter of doing art. We're working on this at minimum. I think it's at minimum 5 hours a day, every single day. So we're making pretty good progress, I think. Pretty good progress. But full bong, I'll have to tune in to your next stream, and I'll see if I can help you come up with some ideas. I want to play day one. Well, great news for you, because all subs are going to be able to play before day one. I just made that up right now, but we're sticking with it. You can ask anyone in chat. Once I think of something, as dumb as it is, we just kind of stick with it. Especially the dumbest one was the hair thing. For sure. That was the dumbest one. There. Yeah. Ooh. What is this? Is this a platformer? Or not a platformer, but I guess that would be the term. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. Wait, this is in Godot too. That's nice. Try saying life essence at the start of the die function. Ooh, that's a good one. Try setting it at the start. Before die emits. Yeah, I think honestly Fobong, your idea or your game, I feel like you just need to come up with like a really cool map now. If you come up with a really cool map, you're pretty much set. Hold on. Holding. This isn't the enemy class script. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Ironic. Oh. I am so dumb. No wonder why it's not working. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. No wonder why it wasn't working. Holy crap. Oh my. Alright, let's see if this just works. Oh, no wonder why. Oh. Watch, it's gonna work. Just watch. No wonder why nothing was happening. Oh, it's still not doing anything. Okay. Oh, no, it did! I can't believe that. This whole time, it wasn't working. The GIF looks funky, but it's in general now. You also named the fairy function die instead of dead. Yeah, listen. Over the course of time, our abilities have been growing more and more. And so as we're evolving, our code's also evolving. Wow, that looks really weird. That GIF is very funky indeed. Check this out. It's just like... Oh, it's because it's flapping with the background cutout. Oh, what a shame. I guess it just doesn't work, guys. Oh, man. And to think, we were going to use that for a GIF. Oh. It should be die. It should be die. In the fairy. Yeah, it is die. Okay, die, and then... Yeah, because it's present tense. It dies. And then we emit died. So then we know it died. Yeah, that kind of makes sense. Okay, so we know our code works now. So now we need to go to the enemy class. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, we have an issue. Oh no. When you're ending, I might end up rating you again. Oh, when are you ending? We will be... Stream doesn't end for another, like, 4 to 5 hours or so. 4 hours, maybe? Maybe 4.5. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling today, so far, I'm feeling like we might go to 5 CST. I think I know what your issue is. Want me to explain the fix? Yeah, go for it. You can explain whatever you want. Well, you can raid me then. We'll see. This is my first stream. Please don't end. Listen, no, we're not ending it yet. We just started. What are you talking about? What I was saying is I'm feeling like we got a lot of energy today. I got a lot of energy today. So, basically, I think we're gonna go a lot later. We'll probably go to like maybe 4, maybe 5. Probably not past 5 because I want to eat dinner. And usually when I go past 5, I just don't eat dinner. Oh man, Georgester. All right, 1 sec. I heard energy. How long till 4? It is currently 12:13. 5 is a good point. We could do 5. All right. Hold up. So 10 is 4. 11 is 5. Oh, are you down in Australia? Shrimp on the Barbie or New Zealand? England. Wait, it's oh, I have my times flip-flopped. Or told you that. I knew that. I was just testing you. 12, 13, 14, 15. I gotta take this off. What does that say? 11 minus 5 is 6. Interesting. I knew that. I also legit don't have rooms for push-ups. Infinite Coder! Welcome! Welcome! Woo! Ah! Infinite Coder Raid! Woo! Okay, so if I'm right, I think you're worrying about having to call the die function again for fairy class, right? No. I'm worried about, so finally unbuffered. So the issue is we have an enemy class, and the idea behind it was we could just set it to every single enemy, because we're gonna have different types of enemies. So we're gonna have fairies, familiars, elementals, spirits, demons, and we just want to use one class for all of them. But now the issue is they need to drop different currencies when they die. So I don't know how to do this. And howdy, Infinite Coder. I'm copying your title with slight difference. Oh, geez. Remove the drop from the main class. And where would I put the drop? That's the thing. Then in your subclasses, create a function called dead. Oh, Aaron. Okay. That will override the base class, so you can call super from the subclass and then add the drop after that. Oh. Okay, so basically I copy this, right? And then, oh, another 360. And then I do super. Leave that there, but remove the drop. Okay, but if I do super, doesn't that write over the entire function? Or wait, ready? Explain. For some reason, I can't redeem explain. Deduct 50 from me and explain what happened. What? Yeah, fairy and enemy class are different scripts. They just extend out. Wait, so I redeemed 360 instead. I can't redeem explain. Deduct 50 from me and explain what just happened. What just happened? I've continued with the game jam. I'm really running low on time. 24 hours remain. I see that Godot's tile map interface is not the most intuitive, and auto tiling rules by default are hard, but fortunately, there is better terrain. Indeed. I'm trying to explain how inheritance works. Wait. Died is not a function? I thought die is a function. Die is not found in enemy class. You need to call the function in fairy dead to match your base class. What did we call it in the dead? Function dead is what we called it. Dead, not died. Dead. There we go. So now, when we do super, is it not writing over the entire dead function? Or is it just adding this line? Oh, congratulations, Infinite. Now Fairy will run and then do the drop. You need to ignore the fairy because it took 1 hour being in the wrong scripts. No. Ironic. They're saying by fairy, they're saying the enemy class. And then the red fairy. It gets confusing. Super equals call the class defined in the base class. This method overwrites. I got the achievement completed 3 hours ago. Nice. Okay. So this is... I always thought that super just overwrote the function. But what y'all are saying is that... Try it with 2 different enemies, you'll see. Alright, we'll see. But what is actually interesting? Me next. If you don't do super, this function overrides it. Oh. Okay, wait. I missed the... See what happened when it died. Okay, it still does work. Oh. So if you don't do function, then it gets overridden. Okay. That's... Wow, okay, that makes a lot of sense. Dot fairy dust plus equals 1. And now we just do the exact same thing in our purple fairy over here. And we can do func dead super, and then that. And like that. Wait, it overrides it anyway, but calling super will call the super function instead of the super. Oh, wait. Should have a loot resource for this kind of thing. We have, what do you mean a loot resource? We have the resource. It's like this. Instead of hard coding what drops. But super simply calls the other implementation. Using super means reference the parent class here. Okay, so it just said it's rewriting it technically, but it's basically just copying it, and then it adds whatever line you put in as well. You say you have a dead, B extends A, B dead will be the new function, but calling super instead of B dead will call A dead. Okay, I think I get that now. Instead of hard coding what drops. What ironic, what do you mean by a loot resource instead of hard coding what drops? Oh, also, while we're doing this, let's actually make the boss drop some stuff. The boss has a different script. So we can just do melee, dead. None of this is needed. Full doob hits. Wonder who that is. Me again. Thank you for the follow. You have a stats resource. Oh man, run. You could create a variable on the base class with a list of drops, and on the subclass you assign that. Do this for now though. It will help you learn about object inheritance. Gotcha. Thank you. Yeah, I'm really... The idea with this first game is just to learn. And then the second game's to learn more. And the third and the fourth and the fifth. And then we can go on to a big game. At least that's the idea. Run into the Godot console. Okay. Also, I need to I'm gonna have to like get a haircut soon. Or like a trim, because after going bald, after you guys made me go bald, I must have missed a part on my neck. And so it looks like I'm growing like a rat tail. It's not good. The hair is like, it's like super long at the base of my neck. And then it's like super short. I didn't realize being bald was so hard. Not so bald anymore, indeed. Not so bald anymore. Okay, so with the fairy boss, we're gonna go to the die dead thingy. Take damage dead. Okay, right here. And right here, we're just gonna do this. And we're gonna do +5, because it's a boss. +5, +1. And what this is gonna be is this will be Might Stone. And this will be Fairy Dust. Now, of course, we're gonna come back through and try to make things look better and mess around with the numbers and whatnot. But I think that's like one of our very last things we do. Is because we can tune all this. The cool thing is we can tune all the stats to change the like the gameplay time basically. All right, now we should have gained a bunch. 5. We gained 0 because we didn't do the value stuff and the other things. By the way, are you up for playing a Rage platformer, Catch the Countdown? I need feedback from it to implement in the game I'm doing right now. Ah. Yeah, we will in 34 minutes. We'll play a little bit of Catch the Countdown for you. Cause I know I owe you another hour or so. Something like that. I owe you a number. So precise. Well, yeah, I looked at it's 26 right now. +4 and then 30. Just like an even 1 o'clock. All right, so what we need to do is we don't need to print this. Emit value. Emit value. Emit value. And emit value. Save. 360. Oh, thanks, a small rock. Here, I'll stand up just for you. Whew. I'm lurking now. Time to stream. Have a good stream. Have a good stream. Hopefully I'll catch it. All right, team. Play viewer's game. You will not finish it in an hour. I know I won't. Why are you redeeming more? Nor 1 hour and 10 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes. Or 1 hour 10, 1 hour 20. This is now 1 hour 20. Oh boy, we're gonna have to increase that, maybe increase that a little bit. We'll see, we'll see. All right, so now let's just try dropping random things. So the boss drops Might Stone now. Let's see if that works. Don't increase it. Infinite Coder, we might have to. We might have to. You're already limited. You've already limited it to 20 per stream. I did. That's true. I can keep the limit on and then just be good. Why did that not do anything this time? Well, it did something. It didn't give the fairy dust, which means because we didn't set it to do that. There was something else we set. Another 360. I thought you were gone. I thought you were gone. Wait, we're gonna go this way. Oh. I was gonna be. But then you started explaining. Yeah, I think I should actually add Similar Redeem to my stream. Yeah, now I'm gone. Okay, okay. You have a good stream. Good stream. All right, let's see. Where did we go wrong? We didn't do the thing. Where is it? Where is it? We set it somewhere, and I don't remember where. Let's go to the to-dos. Maybe I marked it. That's fine. Target finder, spirit, melee, grid map, boss. No, it's not here. Where? Why am I blanking on where we did the thing with just the life essence? I hate when this happens. I think it was the connecting the signal. Here. That's the super for the fairy purple. This is it for the fairy boss. We don't want to touch that. Enemy class, character stats, enemy class. Where did we do the connections? We're just supering it, so you don't even need that. Player UI, maybe the resource panel? Yeah, right here, right here. That's what it is. On change connect. Okay. Crap. This is gonna be a lot of typing. Control V. So we got Might Stone. We got boss is extending enemy class 2. No. The boss has its own script, and then the enemy class is like a thing for the enemies. The boss has like each boss is basically gonna have to have its own script, I think. I mean, I could do like a super for their special abilities. Maybe that's probably what we'll end up doing when we start adding the other bosses, but I don't know. We will see. On life essence changed. Oh god. All right. We're gonna have to do this as well. And we're gonna have to do bam. And on Might Stone. Label, text string. Func on familiar bones changed. Value. And then we gotta as familiar bones label dot text equals string value. Cool. And then, oh, actually, here. When is our... Wait, let me check something. All right, we have ads coming in 10 minutes, but I really gotta pee, so we're just gonna run them now, and I'm gonna go pee real quick. Yeah, we'll do that. All right, team, let's do this. We'll be right back real quick, and we'll go boom, boom. Wait for it, and I got you, subs. I got you. Bam. Freedom will be right back. Yeah. Start. All right, I'll be back. Alright. You guys did great. I wish it would auto-continue, though. I don't know why it doesn't. Quite annoying. There we go. Alright, team. Alright. We're gonna... Welcome back from ads, everyone. Welcome back. We're gonna close that down. I'm sorry, team. How do I end it? X. Perfect. All right, everyone. Hey! Listen, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, team. It is what it is. All right, we gotta do... Let's see here. All right, so this is what we do. That's unfair? You're unfair. I mean, life's unfair. We could have broke the world record. Could we have? Could we? I don't know about that one. I mean, listen. I believe in us as a team here. Fully believe in us. But listen, we gotta get more practice in before we try to go after the world record here. You know? And then as elemental shards label.text equals value. I feel so competent when I am typing out just copies of the exact same code. It makes me feel like I'm doing something really good, even though I'm not. So, not game breaking, but... Whoa, Savage, what are you saying? Wait. For example, the fact that I can't monetize, life is unfair. Hey, Infinite Coder, we try our best to not to monetize here either. I mean, the only monetization is the ones that, like, I mean, obviously of the mandatory ads, but listen. We're trying to build something big and massive, and we need oxygen. You switch between snake case and Pascal case here. Wait, what? What do you mean I switch between snake and Pascal here? Oh, I see. Yeah. But the reason I do that, if you named all variables the same format, it'd be easier to maintain later. So, I thought with GD script in particular, this was the proper naming convention. Was you're supposed to use camel case for node names. Yeah. Oh wait, you do camel case for node names. Node names are Pascal case. Oh, the events are on, etc. Oh. So it should be what should I be naming it? Events are case are they? Oh. Okay. So I've just been doing it wrong. I thought I was doing it right this whole time. Aw, man. Alright, let's pull up the Godot docs naming conventions style guide. Okay, so it goes... That's this hierarchy. But like, I like to keep naming conventions a certain way as I use multiple cursors to edit code, etc. Yeah. what I'm really trying to do is keep, like just follow Godot to the T, ideally. So then I can fully learn one language. And then later on, if I decide to branch out to other programming languages, maybe do some software instead of just game dev, I would already have like a basic understanding. I don't know. Health changed. Idle. So when do I use... Yeah, it's fair enough. Aren't you doing it perfect by the convention? I thought I was. You're doing mostly... I come from mostly doing JS and Python. Yeah, slightly different. I know Python is very similar to GD script, or from what I've heard. Okay, so class names, uppercase, or Pascal case. Convert the Pascal class name to class name to snake case. And then character nodes, signals, we're good. Constants and enums, perfect. We got that. Yeah, GD is watered down Python. That's what it seems like, which has been very helpful for me, to be honest, as someone who's just not good at programming or any of that yet. Listen, we're gonna be masters eventually. Eventually, we'll become masters, but still got a couple hundred years to go on that. Demon hearts changed. Let's just hope that I actually typed everything properly here, or else hearts label dot text equals value. Okay, now on might stone on might stone dot connect. Oh, might stone dot changed dot not dot underscore. There we go. That's what I want. That signal. Mostly, especially EMCA script classes would be Pascal case, and you'd use upper for some of them, globals, and oh my. Yeah, it's, I feel like, wait, on might stone change, not declared. On my, might stone change, there we go. I feel like a lot of developers or programmers just kind of pick one way that works for them and they kind of stick with it. I could be very off on that assumption, but that's what it seems like. On fairy dust. Oh no, what did I do now? Changed fairy dust on fairy dust changed. Oh, we didn't even write fairy dust changed. What are we doing, team? What are we doing? Func on fairy dust changed value. And then we get the label, get fairy dust label dot text equals value. Why did I put that in string value? There we go. String value, and string value. What is ES6? Or I don't even know what EMCA script is, or what they would be used for either. On fairy dust changed. This is familiar bones. Familiar bones. Elemental shards. Elemental shards. ES6 is a version of JavaScript that tends towards more functional programming rather than classes. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. Let's see here. Okay, cool. And then we do that. Only difference is if we use snake case, camel case, or unicase for function and variable names. The constants uppercase are also in all languages. Yes, a convention, not a version. Oh. Connect. We got elemental shards. We need spirit ooze. On spirit ooze. Spirit ooze. Spirit ooze. Perfect. And then we need demon hearts. Demon hearts. Demon hearts. And let me delete this. Bang. All right, so we got life essence, might stone, fairy dust, familiar bones, elemental shards, spirit ooze, and demon hearts. Perfect. Awesome. Now let's see if this actually works. And the way we're testing is basically just testing if might stone works. So we pop this out. Pew, pew, pew. Pew. I mean, like, this is a way you'd write it, etc. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got the might stone right here. We got the fairy dust and the life essence. Woo. All right. All right. There we go. Now we're cooking. Now we are cooking. What we're going to do. Thank you. No. Nice work to you. Listen. This is something I've been saying a lot. This game isn't my game. This is all of our game. This game has been created through a culmination of efforts with a huge help from chat. Eric, thank you for the follow and welcome to our team here. Welcome, welcome. Bang. Team. All right. So, to the Freedom Forge team. Yeah. All right. So now that we have the loot drop stuff, maybe we really don't want to go back to UI right now. Did you call yourself Freedom Forge Studios? So when you get frustrated, you can be like, part of the reason. The other one is our slogan is do it Freedom Forge style. So you can kind of see where that goes as well. Yeah, that's part of the reason. There's a lot to the name, a lot to it. And to be honest, the name kind of comes from a more depressing background. Way more depressing background. Long story short, which I do plan on, because it's a very, very long story. I do plan on explaining things in more detail later on. I'm just looking for the right opportunity to do so. And I think that opportunity has already shown itself a little bit. So it will be coming up. But long story short, I went through this like super sad boy era, like hyper depressed, all this stuff. And I was fighting to like forge my own mental freedom basically. And so that's kind of where the name is kind of a callback to that a little bit. I didn't have the full hairdo and all that. Yeah, we all went. That's the other thing I realized after the fact is like, I'm pretty sure everyone goes through that stage at some point or something similar like that. I didn't have the hair. I've usually always had pretty short hair, not this short, but pretty short. So, yeah, it's kind of where it comes from. That, but also it's like, do it FFS. Like, that was the biggest thing, is I would overthink things and try to like overanalyze, get analysis paralysis. And so then it's just like really the Shia LaBeouf meme where he's just like, just do it. It's like, that's pretty much where it came from. Is just do it FFS. Like, come on, stop trying to do it. Just do it. That kind of thing. All right, so because I don't want to do more UI right now, yeah, UI is not fun. What I'm thinking is we're gonna mess around with the luck stat. So we have a luck stat now that we just added yesterday. This might give people the wrong impression, but we changed the stream title name. Witch farts. Pull the, yeah. One of my favorite motivators, pull the effing trigger. I love it. Yeah. That's literally it right there. Literally it. All right. I'm hoping this stream title does not give people the wrong impressions. It's time to get lucky, time to get lucky, boys and girls. We are going to mess around with our luck stat. Couldn't mean anything else. No innuendos there. It's time to mess with our luck stat. So we got a character stat that we added yesterday called luck. Time to get lucky. Just do it, FFS. Exactly. It's a great name. See, the beauty of the name is that it's child friendly, and then it's also a little fun for the grown-ups. Okay. So we got this luck stat, right? And what we want it to do is we want it to increase the chance people texting their parents. It's a name, if you know, you know. Yeah, exactly. So we want this luck stat to, it's kind of going to be a little bit of an OP stat, not going to lie. Just because I don't feel like breaking it into two different stats. That might get too complex. But the idea is, it has a chance to drop extra currency. Wait, never mind. That's literally, I just wrote the exact same thing, just in different wording. Actually, no, I didn't. No. I see what I was meaning here. So the idea is we want it to increase the drop by a certain percentage. So instead of dropping 1, it will drop like 1.1. I wonder if we get floating point precision errors on Godot. What's a floating point precision error? Error. Oh my, that's a bad accent. What we want to do is, so if you increase your luck stat, the idea is that the luck will then, if you get like a spirit or a life essence, it would, instead of getting 1 from an enemy, you'd get 1.1 life essence. But then also, we want a random chance to drop an extra 1. So you might kill like 10 mobs or 10 enemies, and you'll get 1.1, 1.1, 1.1. Then maybe all of a sudden you'll get 2 or 2.2 or something like that. Maybe we'll just double it to keep it simple. That's kind of the idea of the luck stat. And floating point precision is the way numbers are stored in binary. Floating point numbers like 0.1 are stored in a weird way. Ah. See, I just know like floats. You can see it in JavaScript. You go to the browser, press F12, and go to console. Okay. In console type 0.1 plus 0.2. You can see what that answer is. So open a browser, press F12. open a browser, press F12. Nope, it won't let open DevTools. There we go. And then do, oh, whoa. What the? And then go to the console. Console. 0.1 plus 0.2. Oh. Wait, that just says it equals 0.3. That's not funky. (0.1 plus 0.2). Is that in Chrome? It's in Edge. So kinda. No. Let's see. Oh, I didn't even see the 4. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, I didn't even see the 4. That is funky. Why is it doing that? Is it because it's taking the integers 0, 1, 0, and 2? That's not the right answer. You sure? 0.1 plus 0.2. It's not 4. So it's the floating point precision error. Okay. So I guess what is the purpose of having that? Is that just so it doesn't go to 0 forever? Oh, it's because you can't store 0.3 in binary. Oh, that's right. I remember doing this. And so in college, we had to write, what did we have to write in binary? We had to write like hello world in binary or something. It was ridiculous. It was like this huge paper, basically. It was just zeros and ones that we had to write. I remember doing that. Huh. So that's why. I do remember doing this now. Long ago. Many years ago. Okay. But really, the floating point precision error wouldn't matter too much with us, right? We just round to the nearest 10th or nearest 100th. And because it's a float. I think that would be fine. I reckon. All right, team. So now, what we're gonna do is we gonna... All right, let's hop over here. Float utilizes scientific notation, I believe. Okay. What is it? How do I say your name? Conjef? Conjef? Hello. Welcome to your first time chatting. Float utilizes scientific... Yeah. Sweet. Conjef. That's a fancy name. It actually has a nice ring to it. Conjef. All right, anywho. So that's what we want to do with these stats to get lucky. Oh, I already lost it. Where did I put it? There it is. So how do we do luck? Would it just be in our drop like our drops, we just do multiplied by luck? And then I guess luck starts at 1. And then we need another variable called like a sub variable of some sort. Not sub, but like you get the idea. We'll do another one that does we basically do have to break this up into 2 parts, but we can just say if one increases, then the other one increases. I think. I hope. Oh, also, before I forget, let's change this goal. Get lucky. All right. So, I want to say we just do luck equals 1. And then are you really adding a luck stat? Yes. Is that a no-go, ironic? I was thinking because the game in itself is going to be my ideal length for the game. Yeah, luck stat. The ideal length for this game is, I don't know about you guys, but I don't think I have really played a mobile game longer than off and on for 2 weeks. And then after that 2-week mark is usually when I just drop it. So using that, the idea is that, how many times have I told you you're not making Morrowind? Yeah, we're not making Morrowind. We're making Realm Rapture. That's the name of the game. We're just adding some fun little mechanics and stuff. You're just making it as complex as Morrowind. Is it? Is it that complex? Look, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I mean, we got to build the walls and stuff. And really, I mean, to tell you the truth, all we really need to do now in the game is add the other assets. So that's the other melee and the other casters and then the other boss. We'll do it this way. Bam. The other boss. Add the rest of the companions plus their special abilities. That's a little bit rough. Adding their other special abilities. But that's only 4 other special abilities we have to add. And then we just have to add a place to upgrade. And then we're done. But then it's literally just copying and pasting level to level at that point. So I feel like we have most of our stuff. Godot appears to fix the floating point errors. Sweet. So no worries. Awesome. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. But I think really this game is pretty basic now because we have the majority of our base features. That's just an extra thing you know now. Yeah. So now next time someone asks me about a floating point precision error, I can be like, don't worry, Godot handles that. But yeah, I think maybe I'm oversimplifying it, and someone could let me know if I am, but in my mind, all we're doing now is after we do this luck stat, it's really just basically copying these enemies to different models and they're doing their animations, which takes no time at all. And then doing the special abilities for the companions and doing their scripts, which is kind of similar to, they're all similar-ish or similar enough. And then doing the bosses. So I don't think it's going to be too crazy. And then we got, and then by that time, once we're done, then we just get into the polishing, cleaning it up, making it look good. You know when crazy will start. You know when crazy will start when put walls in. You think so? When we start putting the walls in? Well, the thing is, we can... So all of their attack ranges, if we did it right, need to navigate a maze. Well, no, that's the thing. That's the thing, Savage Lord, is we're keeping the map design extraordinarily simple. Like, it will literally be, you start off in like a box, like that, and then you just have your little quest companion here that says like, hey, go do such and such. And then in the middle, we'll have our upgrade station. Then over here, we'll have the boss. And then we'll have just like walls. Just very simple walling. And then we just have to ensure that the enemies, so these guys, that their attack ranges aren't overlapping with the walls. We don't want that. So I feel like it's going to be relatively easy in terms of like level design. Because I'm purposely trying to keep it really straightforward. So if you want to like farm the casters, for example, then you can go to where most of the casters are, which might be like over here. Or maybe they're over here. I don't know yet. So it shouldn't be too crazy. Then again, we do have each level, or we call them realm. Like each realm has 3 stages to it. So it kind of upgrades as you upgrade. So when you hit a certain threshold, so you upgrade your stats to X amount, then it will go to the next level. And during that next level, all the minions, like the enemies, will just have increased stats basically. And then there's going to be some kind of visual change as well. And this boss door will unlock after the first little level. Something like that. So there's really no like navigation to it. It's just like a free roam, simple type deal going on. And then the only other complex thing I can think about is switching from realm to realm. What we have intended is a portal. And portals, from my quick research on it, seems rather simple. You're just changing the scene. But yeah, the way I'd implement luck for this game is all enemies have their guaranteed drops, then use luck as a chance to drop extra items. Yeah. But I was thinking, because the cost of stats is gonna increase over time. Actually, I'll do it this way. It will increase over time. So having that luck stat kind of be like plus 0.1 or whatever would probably make sense. Captain Enosa, hello, howdy. How you doing? Welcome. Welcome. I'm just... Whoa, I forgot. I didn't even pull this out yet. There we go. Oh. We're trying to get lucky right now. We are thinking about adding in a luck stat. I think it's going to be relatively easy. Because it's really just the luck stat will just add 0.1 each time you level it up. That's the first part of it. Then the second part will have like I guess an increased percentage chance to drop an extra item. Or an extra like piece of loot. Or currency, I should say. That might be, maybe that part might be the more complex one. I'm just thinking over, because to do it so it increases over time so you get more and more. Because I don't know about you guys, but that just feels good when you're like, you're killing the same mob, but except you're getting more loot for killing that mob. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? I think that's pretty good. Are you planning to have a max luck? Yeah. We'll have a max. Like, there's going to be maxes to all these. What those maxes are, not entirely sure. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, I haven't figured out what the maxes are. Like, all the stats have a max. I just don't know what the max is yet. And I feel like as long as we plan to have it like scale up, and we'll have it scale up a lot. Like right now, just as an example, our attack. Let's go to the character stats, and we'll go to our attack speed actually. Attack range, attack speed. Our attack speed goes all the way up to 100. Now, watch what happens when we raise it to 100. This is ridiculous. This will not be the max. We can always just kind of clamp it at that point. Let's go to the training dummy here. See, that's absurd. Absolutely absurd. So that won't be a thing. But again, I feel like that's pretty easy just to toss a clamp on during our regular stage, like our polishing stage. So what you do is random 0 to max luck. And if the number is equal to or lower than the luck stat, mobs drop an extra item. Ooh, okay. I like that. Yeah. I like that. So you're basically taking a random number generator from 0 to the max. And then if the number is equal or lower, not greater, lower, then it will drop. Okay. So we'll head over to the stats. And I guess we have to put a mini setter in it. Yeah, that way as luck increases, so does your chance to hit it. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see here. Where do we define this though? I think we need to do a mini set, kind of like we did up here for like the attack range and the health. Which I want to clear this out. I think that would work. We do a set value, or no. I don't know where to define it. This, now I'm seeing where it's getting complex. You can just use a set just to make sure you don't go over it. Okay. So we could do set value. And then we can do luck equals or plus equals value, or no, plus equals clamp luck 1, and we'll do like 100. No, that doesn't work. Oh, wait. Luck set, yeah, but when enemy drops, you need to check player luck. However, you get that stat. Or however you get that stat. See, I was thinking taking the stat and just adding the stat directly to the enemy. So it would be like, or maybe, do we multiply it? Or we add it? Adding it would be easier. No, we can multiply it. Yeah, we'll just multiply it. So we do luck multiplied by, so hang on. We'll go to the, it would basically be like this. And we do plus equals 1 times luck. Game manager dot player dot stats dot luck. It would be this, and we just put this in every superscript. And so now it should drop. It would drop 1 times 1, because our luck is currently 1. But then if we increase it by, we should probably increase it by whole numbers though, shouldn't we? Now it will always drop multiple of the luck value. Well, so that's the thing. I was thinking a 2-parter. Like, by a 2-parter, I mean it will, if my luck is 1.1, then I am guaranteed to get 1.1 of the fairy dust, for example. And then on top of that, I also have an RNG chance to get another 1.1 on top. Or am I just overcomplicating that? I might be overcomplicating that. I think I'm overcomplicating that. We have a if luck equals 0.1, then we do the drop. That looks like prop. Drop 1 equals 1.1 plus RNG percent to get 2.2. 15 minutes late? What? If you want chance and multiplier, maybe have it either drop 1 or the luck value if you hit the lucky chance. If you want chance and multiplier, maybe have it either drop 1 or the luck value if you hit the lucky chance. Okay. I do like, or I do. So basically what you're saying is you're guaranteed to get this, but you could get this. Plus equals player luck if random 0 max luck is less than or equal to player luck, else 1. Yeah. Okay. I like that. So what we'll do then is, oh boy. So that way would be guaranteed to get 1 or 1.1% chance to get 1.1. Oh. I'd want the 1.1% chance to get a double. So to get times 2 of 1.1. Which just means I can do else 1 times 2 or 1.1 or player luck plus the drop times 2. I think that would work. So in the character stats here, we will do set value luck equals actually no. We don't even need the setter now. Now we just need a separate variable called max luck. Right? Where's my, there it is. Okay. Plus equals player luck times 2 if random luck greater than the else 1. Yeah. That makes sense. Okay. Except we don't want else 1. We would want else plus equals 1. Not sure if Godot has that yet. That looks like Godot to me. For the most part. No, you don't want 1. Right. We want whatever the luck is. Yeah. Would it be... I think what we do is we're going to do it by 0.1. So that way it's not scaling super fast with luck. If we scale luck by 1/10, so it would be, else you're getting, so if a mob typically drops 1 and your luck is 0.1, then you will drop 1.1, or the mob will drop 1.1 of the currency. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, now I just got to figure out where to write this. I think I need to do var max luck equals 100. Or no, we just do that would either be 1.1 or 2.2. Yeah, exactly. That's what we want. So instead of max luck being 100, maybe the max luck would be 1, and then the luck starts at 0.0 or 0.0 and then scales up to the first point, and it will bring it to 1 point, or bring it to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, etc. That might be ideal. You want to base that at 1. Yeah. We would want to base that at 1. But then the minimum you drop is 1. Yeah, right. The minimum we want them to drop is 1. Then boss could multiply the value by 5, for example. Yeah, that would be really awesome. That would be perfect. All right, so we have to figure out where all of this code would go. So first thing we do is we export variable luck to 1.0, and we have a variable called max luck that we're just going to keep in the character stats. So we can do that. Oh, look at Seribot going hard. Blocking them bots. Good job. Good job. And then we do 1.1. Doing some mathematical calculations right now in my mind. Loss multiply value of 5. Okay. So what we'll do is we shall... Okay. Where do we put this? We want to do, if player luck is 1.1, it'd be either 1.1. So you want to do 1, scrolling up right now. Okay, so we'll hop over to like the fairy purple, for example, and we'll do life essence equals, or plus equals, game manager dot player dot stats dot luck. We're actually going to make a variable here called luckstat equals game manager dot player dot stats dot luck. And that should just help us clean up the code a bit as well. You like that, Ironic? Doing it just for you. So game manager dot player dot luck, and then we do times 2 if the random number. I don't know how to get a random number in Godot. Godot or ChatGPT. Pull up the good old Godot assistant here. Randy. Oh, it's just Randy. If I was in 5th grade, how to get a rent? What is Randy? Oh, Rand is, it's like random integer, or Randy range. Range would probably be better. That gives when you call Randy, it gives a number that seems random. Randy, pick a number. Okay. Luckstat. So you need to start using the docs that's built into Godot. I I mean, I do use them. They're just not very beginner friendly, in my opinion. Don't worry about the pseudo thing. That's just, there's no real way to randomly generate numbers. Right. Wait, type rand into that, you'd see something amazing. Rand. You sure about that? Still nothing. I think it needs to be completed code, or kind of completed. All right, so let me do in search help. I don't know where search help is. Search. That didn't do anything. Times, so 1 times, oh wait, no, whoops. Luckstat, so player.luck.stats, and then times rand. Okay, randy range. So this will do a, where's my, I guess I can't see it. That's annoying. From int to int, but we want it float to float. So what if we do rand f? Yeah, rand f range, and this should be a float to float. It's the top right of the script editor. Top right of script editor. Search here. I can just do this now. Returns 0. Okay. A float might be 0 to 100. Oh, do an int 0 to 100 instead. But then we won't get the 0.1 that we're looking for. Float is fine. You're not using the return value, just comparing it to your luck value. Okay. And so then we wanted a, wait. Luck from float to, so from our luck, so from luck stat to 100? Nah. Drats. From 0 to 100. Oh, because we're multiplying it. I see. From 0 to 100. And then I'll grab code again. I can also just scroll up a bit. If player luck stat is 1.1, be either 1.1 over 2. Plus equals luck times 2 if rand. Oh, equals 2. Yeah, type it like that. So plus equals luck times 2 if rand range 0 to 100 or 0 to max luck, not 100. I guess it doesn't, you could just do 100 and then we don't need a max luck variable, right? 0 to 100. Yeah, max is 100. Okay. Is greater than or equal to, what do we call it? Luck stat else 1. I think I need a, oh wow, it just does it. Okay. So now plus equals luck stat which is, it will do ×2 if rand range 0. Okay. But now what it's gonna do, oh wait, no, that should, okay, let's see what happens. This is the fairy purple. So let's go kill a purple fairy real quick. Luck stat is on base nil. Player.stats.luck. But yeah, I'm gonna raise the luck to a bunch. So we'll see what happens. But why is it stats on base nil? Is it capital? No, it's not capital P for player. We're going to the player's stats. Game manager player. No. Uh-oh. We got the no. Type at ready. At ready or on ready? On ready. Bar. The player's stats don't exist in the enemy class's class body. No, right, but game manager is a an auto load. Oh, there we go. Okay. So let's go kill. I don't know what our luck is right now. I think our luck is just 1. So it will probably just give us a 1. Yeah, 1. 2. Okay. And then let's go to the player. And let's switch our luck to like 100. 50? Let's do 50, yeah. 50. And then head over here. F6. And then we got... Boom, bang, boom, boom. 50. Oh my lord. 100. That was too many. So you either get 50 or 100. Okay. Yeah, you wanted to drop your luck stat. Yeah, 100. I want all the luck. Or double if it's lucky. Wait. So, like, if my luck is... So if you keep killing... One of them will drop 100 instead of 50. Okay. Okay. We'll drop 100 instead of 50. So then if my luck stat is 2, you're saying it will drop 2 with the chance of dropping 4. We gotta fix that UI later. Yuck. 2. Oh, it dropped 2 life. Oh, that's right. Yeah. 4. Okay. 2, 4. I feel like it should drop. Like, I think the luck stat 2 always drops 2, but has a 2% chance to drop 4. Okay. Is there... I feel like that's too many. I don't know. That might be... I guess... What's the difference between doing a solid number versus the 0.1? I guess there's really nothing. I don't know. Divide by 10 if you want floats for the item values.